In the first video, we reviewed the basics of Trimble Connect and its available toolbars. In this video, we will cover measurement and snap options along with some related settings. For this demonstration, we will be viewing a standard prefab instead of a mini storage building. Make a note that standard prefabs, unlike minis, do not include details on sheeting and trim. Before measuring, it is important to choose the correct unit of measure for the project. This is because the program cannot automatically switch between units of measure once the process has begun. If you begin measuring with the wrong unit settings and then attempt to change it, the program will reload and progress will be lost. To designate the proper unit system, we must first select the Settings cog from the main toolbar. This will open the Settings menu on the right-hand side of the screen. Selecting Unit Settings allows access to change the unit system from metric, which is the system default, to imperial. Once selected, the unit length below defaults to inches. We are going to select this drop-down and change it to reflect feet in inches. Further to the right is the Display Precision drop-down, which we will leave defaulted at 1/4 of an inch. Select the X at the right-hand side of the Settings menu to close this box. Now, let's proceed to the main toolbar and review the various types of measurement and snap options. Clicking on any measurement option will replace the main toolbar with the measurement toolbar, which provides the ability to switch between the different types of measurements, access to the color selector for differentiating between multiple measurements, access to all the various snapping options, and you can delete all measurements from here if necessary. There are 3 available measurement options. Perpendicular measure allows you to measure either the horizontal or vertical distance between 2 points. Single point provides the X, Y, and Z measurement for the selected point. Angle provides the angle of measure between 2 intersecting points. There are 4 different snap options. Snap to points, snap to lines, snap to faces, snap to center. One thing to remember is that center snap only works for parts that have an available IFC shape profile. The default snap setting is auto, which will snap to the closest point, edge, face, or center that your cursor is near. Also, you are not limited to only selecting one snap preference. When 2 preferences are selected, the application will snap to the closest selected option that your cursor is near. This concludes the measurement and snap options section.